this video, I will show you how to get a Robinhood Cash Card. So I will show you step by step how you can get a Robinhood Cash Card. So please watch this video until the end. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to access Robinhood from our browser. So go ahead and type in Robinhood and then Cash Card in your search browser. And then this result will pop up. You need to click on Robinhood Cash Card in here. And once you are in here, you need to click on sign up now. So let's go ahead and do this. And then from this section, you need to fill in the country where you live. And if your country is not listed in one of these, then Robinhood Crypto is not available in your country. So let's go ahead and click on this. And now we can just see all the countries that are in here. So just select one that is available. So go ahead and do that. Let's say we are in Spain. Then we're going to click on Spain, then click on continue. And then you just need to fill in your first name, your surname, basically all of the information that you need to fill in. And then you can click on continue. Or if you already have a login, you can just go ahead and click on that. And after you've filled it in, you need to fill in your phone number and then click on continue. And you basically need to go through the process. So following the process is basically how you will get your Robinhood Cash Card. Because in the end, you will need to fill in more information, including your address where you live, so that the card can come physically to your address. So that is basically what you need to do. Just follow along with the process, click on continue, do what Robinhood is telling you, and then you will be fine, and then you will get the Robinhood Cash Card. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments down below. Anyway, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.